In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Chime before your physical card arrives. If you're eagerly waiting for your new Chime card to show up in the mail, you might be wondering how you can start making purchases. Luckily, Chime has a convenient solution that allows you to use your account even before you have the card in your hands. First things first, ensure that you have the Chime app installed on your smartphone. This app is your gateway to accessing your account details and managing your finances on the go. Once you're all set with the app, log in with your credentials. It's important to note that you should have access to a stable internet connection to ensure a smooth experience. Upon logging in, navigate your way to the Settings section. This can be found on the menu, typically located at the bottom of the screen. In Settings, you'll want to scroll down until you find the option labeled View Your Card. Selecting this option will reveal your temporary card details. This is a crucial step, as these details will enable you to make online purchases without the physical card. Now that you have access to your temporary card information, you can use these details just like you would with a regular card. This includes the card number, expiration date, and the CVV. With these, you're all set to make online payments. Whether you're shopping for essentials or treating yourself to something nice, your Chime account is ready to go. One thing to keep in mind is the importance of security. Always ensure that you're shopping on reputable websites and never share your card details with anyone. Protecting your financial information is crucial, and Chime takes security seriously. While you're making your purchases, remember that any transactions will be reflected in your Chime account, just as they would with your physical card. You can monitor these transactions directly from the app, allowing you to keep track of your spending and manage your budget effectively. This temporary card setup is designed to provide a seamless experience while you wait for your physical card to arrive. It's a straightforward and efficient process that ensures you're never left without access to your funds. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to use your Chime account even before your physical card arrives. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your banking experience with Chime even more convenient. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to check out more of our guides for useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.